I definitely feel a lot better. I don't have the same amount of pain in my neck. I definitely don't have the cervical migraines as often anymore. I can actually sleep on a pillow again, which is a miracle in itself. My MRI shows that the bulges have decreased. It's not hitting my spinal cord anymore. This is only like my 5th or 6th month since I got stem cell injections in my neck. I'm hopeful that there's going to be continued improvement in my neck within like the next year. I got into a car accident back in 2018. It was a multi-car pileup and our car was pretty much totaled, and I got a really bad neck injury out of it. Discovered through MRIs in the state that I had some bulges in my C3 to C5. My only options in the States were either to get a disc replacement or continue with temporary relief through radio frequency ablation. So my pain level between a 1 and a 10 was around a 6. Definitely painful every day. I couldn't sleep on a pillow at all for the last 5 years since 2018. I would get cervical migraines that would start on the neck up. Those were no fun. I probably got those like 2 or 3 times a month. Had to do a lot of just personal massages to make sure that I could relieve or minimize some of the pain. I went and did radio frequency ablations. I also got epidurals on my neck as well. But again, all of those were temporary and I was looking for something that was more permanent. So I actually heard it through my husband. He was actually watching the Joe Rogan Podcast and Joe Rogan had mentioned it. And then we started researching stem cells, found out that was actually pretty helpful for the situation that we were in. My husband had shoulder injections the first time we came, and he's seen 95% improvement in one side of his shoulders, 99% on the other side, and his MRIs show that as well. I definitely feel a lot better. My pain went from a 6 down to a 3, and so it's definitely way more manageable now. I definitely don't have the cervical migraines as often anymore, so I definitely see a life improvement in that space. I don't have the same amount of pain in my neck. I can actually sleep on a pillow again, which is a miracle in itself. My MRI shows that the bulges have decreased. It's not hitting my spinal cord anymore. The other one, similar situation, it's also decreased. And so overall, I had seen like a 1 millimeter decrease in my bulges. And this is only like my 5th or 6th month since I got stem cell injections in my neck. And so I'm hopeful that there's going to be continued improvement in my neck within like the next year. The folks that have any neck injuries, any shoulder, any back pain, hip pains, things like that, I definitely recommend stem cell treatment from CPI. I am definitely happy with everything that CPI has done for me as well as for my husband. Again, highly recommend them.